Yeah, go get your baby. See, I always give her bags. Oh my goodness, Jess.
You're gonna get your baby.
Yay!
You did it. You got your baby.
Yay!
You did it.
Yes, you can get down. You can do it more. Where are you going to go? Up the steps or up the ladder?
Up the steps.
You want to give the doggy your Snoopy? Let him kiss you. Oh! He got you.
He kissed you, Ariel. Yeah. The doggy kissed you. He loves you.
Oh, did you like that? Did she taste good? Huh, Fred? You want to give him your Snoopy? He's a good doggy. Are you asking him if he wants to sit in the chair?